So in this video, we're going to graph the linear equation for y equals 8x plus 2. We're going to use a table of values here. You can use slope-intercept form. That works really well. And if you need help with that, there's a link at the end of this video. But for our table of values, let's put a value in for x. Let's say 0. Always a good place to start, because 8 times 0, that's just 0. 0 plus 2, that gives us 2 for y. So we have our first point for the graph, y equals 8x plus 2. I could put 1 in for x, but 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, and my graph doesn't go up to 10. So I'm going to go with negative 1, because 8 times negative 1, that's negative 8. Negative 8 plus 2 is just negative 6. And so now I have a bit of a problem. If I do negative 2, I'll get negative 16. That plus 2 is just negative 14. That goes off my graph. So I'm going to do, how about just negative 1/2? I can do that, right? 8 times a negative 1/2. 1/2 of 8 is 4, but since this is negative, we have negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2 is just negative 2. So kind of a bit of a trick we had to do there, but that works. And we could have just used 2 points, but I always like having a third point. Let's graph this then. So we go to x is 0, y is 2. That's our first point. X is negative 1, y is negative 6. So negative 1, negative 6. And then here we have x is negative 1/2 and y is negative 2. But you see, it's right on the line there. So that worked out pretty well. Let's put a line through that. Then we put arrows to show this goes to infinity. That's the graph for y equals 8x plus 2. We could put any value we want in for x, get a value for y, and it'll be somewhere on this line. I chose these because it fits on the graph. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.